Okay, so we are going to show you all the materials and the drugs required for a peribulbar block. This is a 10 ml syringe, and right next to it you can see there is a 26 gauge needle. This is injection hyaluronidase. It is in the powder form and it consists of 1500 units per ml. It needs to be reconstituted. So for that we have injectable lignocaine hydrochloride 2%, and this is 30 ml vial. We mix the 1500 units of hyaluronidase powder into the lignocaine hydrochloride injection, and ultimately we get 25 units per ml. We take 4 ml of that in the syringe and mix it with 4 ml of bupivacaine. This is injection bupivacaine 0.5%. So in the needle we take 4 ml of lignocaine hydrochloride with hyaluronidase along with 4 ml of bupivacaine. So the final percentage of hyaluronidase that we use comes to around 12.5 units per ml. Okay, and we mix lignocaine with bupivacaine. The advantage of lignocaine is, as you all know, it's a short-acting local anesthetic, so it has fast onset of action. And we also need bupivacaine in the injection because it is a longer-acting anesthetic agent, so the effect of the block, it lasts for longer. And hyaluronidase, it helps in diffusion of the drugs in the orbit for faster effect of the block. Okay, now we are going to demonstrate the technique of giving a peribulbar block to the patient. Before administering the block, you always have to explain the procedure to the patient. And the classic technique of peribulbar block involves 2 injections. The first injection is inferior and temporal, the needle being introduced through the skin below the inferior lid at the junction between the lateral third and medial 2/3 of the inferior orbital edge. The second injection is superior and nasal between the medial third and the lateral 2/3 of the superior orbital edge. The needle insertion depth is around 2.5 centimeters. Posterior to that, the rectus muscles are in contact with the orbital wall, so we do not want to give a retrobulbar block.
माता जी सीधा देखिएगा.
So this is the injection being given along the inferior orbital rim at the lateral third. We'll push around 4 ml of fluid into the periorbital space.
हाथ पीछे.
Okay. Now the needle is being introduced at the medial 1/3
हाथ नीचे.
of the upper orbital margin.
आँख खोलो. Beagle test.
Always aspirate before pushing the fluid. And now we are injecting 4 more ml of fluid superiorly. Compression after giving the block helps in lowering the intraocular pressure.
Spread.
It has not been shown to enhance the quality of block. So we need to apply pressure of around 30 millimeters mercury for 5 to 10 minutes, which is usually sufficient.
आँख खोलो माता जी.
Now you can see that the block has reached the orbicularis.
नीचे देखो. दाएं बाएं. दाएं देखिए. इधर देखिए. बाएं देखिए.
Compare the blocked eye with the movements of
इधर देखो.
pupil in the other
इधर
eye.
देखिए. नीचे. The 3 signs of block.
To check the effectiveness of the block, you have to look for lid ptosis, pupil dilation and akinesia, along with obviously anesthesia,
आँख खोलो माता जी.
which is
कस के
required
बंद
for
करो.
surgery.
नीचे देखो. ऊपर देखो. दाएं बाएं.
So that's a good block.